Hi everyone, my name is Dineshwari Chandran and my metric number 25 DDT 20F 2007.
Hello everyone, my name is Kalyamala Subramaniam. My metric number is 25DDT20F 2002.
Today I want to present problem-based task of problem solving and program design. Question 1. Mr. Hamad want a program as three options that can be chosen by the user. The option are area of triangle, area of circle, and area of rectangle. As a programmer, solve this problem using step 1 until step 3 in programming lifecycle. Explain the steps involved in programming life cycle to solve this problem. First, the answer is step 1. Specify the problem. Need to calculate area of geometrical object, rectangle, circle, and triangle. Choose one geometrical object. Second step. Analyze the problem. Input triangle, rectangle, and circle. Process or calculate the area of the rectangle, base times with height, and divide 2. Calculate the area of circle, radius times with radius times with 3.14. Calculate the area of rectangle, height times with width. Output total area of rectangle, total area of circle, and total area of rectangle. Step 3. Design the algorithm. Enter the geometric object. If enter height base of triangle, area equals to height times base times divide 2. Display area of rectangle. Else enter radius of circle, area equals to radius times 3.14. Display area of circle. Else enter height width of rectangle, area height times width. Display area of rectangle. Else display area of geometrical object. Enter you want to be continue, which no for n for no. Display result. This is the Visio code. Start from start. Input geometrical object. Same as a algorithm. We enter the triangles height and base, circles of radius, height and width of rectangle, and finally this is my rectangle. I'm done my coding flowchart. So now I just show how to run. So first I just put 1, enter, and height of triangle I just put 4, enter, and then base of rectangle I just put 3, and you want to continue, I just put Y for yes, enter. Next I put for 2, and then please enter the radius of circle. Radius of circle I just put 2, enter. You want to continue, I just put Y for yes. Next please choose object, I put 3, and then width of the rectangle I just put 5, and height of the rectangle 6, and finally you want to continue, I just put no for n for no. So and this is my final output for flowchart. So now this is my coding of C++. First I put hashtag include IOStream, and using namespace std, integer main, brackets. These three are formula of this coding, so we must put, and then I put float b2, a2, b1, c1, a1 and area. Integer 1 char r. Cout. This program will calculate area of object. Another cout. First triangle, second circle and third rectangle. Do cout. Please choose one geometrical object. Cin 1. If 1 equals to 1, cout. Please enter height of the rectangle. Cin 1. Cout. Please enter the base of the triangle. Cin 2. A2. Area A1 times with A2 divide with 2. Cout. Area of the triangle is. Else if 1 equals to 2, cout. Please enter the radius of circle. Cin C1. Area equals to 3.142 times with C1 times with C1. Cout area of the circle is. Else if C1 equals to 3, cout. Please enter the width of rectangle. Cin B1. Cout. Please enter the height of the rectangle. Cin B2. Area B1 times with B2. Cout. Area of the rectangle is. Else cout. Please enter the available geometrical object. Cout. You want to continue? Y for yes and N for no. While R equals to Y. Cout. Thank you for using me. Written are the one of the formula for this coding. Run. Click execute and run. Choose one geometrical object. I choose 1 and 1 for triangle. Please enter height of the triangle. Height of 6. Please enter the base. I choose base 2 and the area of rectangle are 6. And do you want to continue? Y for yes, N for no. I type yes. Then the question ask back. Please choose the one I choose 3, and then please enter the 3 for rectangle. So width of rectangle I put 5. Please enter height of the rectangle 7 and area of rectangle are 35. Next, you want to continue? I type I put N for no. So the output are ending. Thanks for using me.
For question 2, the Harris-Benedict estimate the number of calories your body needs to maintain your weight if you do not exercise. This is called your basal metabolic rate or BMR. The formula for the calories needed for a woman to maintain her weight is BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years minus 161. And then the formula for the calories needed for a man to maintain his weight is BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years plus 5. So write a program that allows the user to input weight in kg, height in cm, age in years, and the character M for male and F for female. The program should then output the BMR based on appropriate sex of the specific weight, height and age, the program will continue asking for the input until user decided to stop the program. Now, report your solution using given problem scenario based on the PLC phase as below. So, first of all, we have to specify the problem and then analyze the problem using IPO, which is input, process and output. And then third is we have to design the algorithm in flowchart adapter and pseudocode. For step 1, specify the problem. Need to calculate the basal metabolic rate, which is BMR, and then gender, female and male. For step 2, analyze the problem. Input is weight in kg, height in cm, age in year, and female and male. For the process, calculate the BMR for female. BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times in height in cm minus 5 times age in years minus 161. And then calculate the BMR for male. BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years plus 5. And then output is display your BMR. And for step 3, design the algorithm. Enter weight, height, age, gender. Check if gender female or male. If gender equals to F, BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years minus 161. Else, if gender equals to M, BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years plus 5. Display result BMR. Enter. Do you want to stop? Yes or no. While A equals to N, which is no. Display status. And for the pseudocode, start get input weight in kg, height in cm, age in year, and gender female or male. If gender equals to F, BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years minus 161. Else, if gender equals to male, BMR equals to 10 times weight in kg plus 6.25 times height in cm minus 5 times age in years plus 5. Output your BMR. Input, do you want to stop? Yes or no. While if A equals to no, which is N, and then end. Now I'm going to explain the flowchart by using the Raptor. So this is the coding for question 2. First we need to put start and then loop. This is loop symbol. Loop symbol allows us to repeat one or more segments until some given condition becomes true. And then these are the input. This is input symbol. Input symbol allow user to enter data. And then this is selection. This is selection symbol. Selection symbol allow you to make decision in your flowchart. And then this is assignment. This is assignment symbol. Assignment symbol can be used for calculate formula. And then again repeat input and then selection and then end. So after loop input I will put enter weight in kg, we get kg, and then enter height in cm, we get cm, enter age in year, we get year, enter gender male or female, and then for selection we put female and male. For male we put BMR equals to 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height minus 5 times age plus 5. Put your BMR and BMR. And for female, BMR equals to 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height minus 5 times age minus 161. and then put your BMR is, we get BMR. And then do you want to stop? Yes or no? And then A equals to yes, which means we want to stop, and then end. So this is the raptor for question 2. Now I'm going to run the raptor. Okay, they ask enter weight, so we put 45, and then height, enter height, we put 165, and then age we put 30, gender we put female first, do you want to stop? No, because we still have one more gender, which is male, so no. Again, so enter weight 40, and then height is 173, age is 34, and then gender is male. Here he asks, do you want to stop? So we select yes. Okay, and then end. Here you can see the output for female and male. So these are the steps to do the raptor. Now I'm going to do coding, which is C++, by using def C++. So this is coding for question 2. These two are the most common directive. This hashtag symbol provide an instruction to the preprocessor, and then using namespace std, and then this is executable statement, and then single line comment, main function, and then building block. This is left brace must begin the body of every function, and then these are the input, which is BMR, weight, height, age, gender, and then choice. While again left brace, and then COUT is for to display output. Output is the program will calculate the calories, BMR, and then enter weight. CIN is for to calculate the input. After we enter the weight, we get weight, and then enter height, we get height, and then enter age, we get age, and then enter gender, male or female, we get gender. And then if gender equals to female, for female BMR equals to 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height minus 5 times age minus 161, and then output is your BMR is. Else if gender equals to M, for male BMR equals to 10 times weight plus 6.25 times height minus 5 times age plus 5. So the output is your BMR is, and then last we get output is do you want to stop? We choose yes or no. So A equals to yes, and then return. This is the end. So this is the coding for question 2. Now I'm going to execute. So here you can see no errors, no warnings, which means the coding is correct. Now I'm going to run the coding. So enter weight, I choose 53, and height is I choose 143, enter age is I choose 30. This is for female. Do you want to stop? No. This, again enter weight for male, 43, height is 175, age is 62, This is for male. I choose yes. So this is the output. The BMR for male is, you can see, 1112.75 and BMR for male is 1218.75. So this is the step to do the coding. That's all from us. Thank you.